Someone said it well, about love, to find someone, who will love you, for no reason, and to shower that person, with reasons, that is the ultimate, happiness. Roser Freud Aguman, and Anna Welly Rojas, celebrated their marriage with family and friends, on Wednesday, March 29, 2023, at Iligan City.
In the Filipino setting, marriage is not just a union of the man and woman, but an alliance of families, even friends. That's why you are here. So in behalf of Froy and Nelly Anweli, thank you for your presence and welcome for this solemn occasion of tying the knot together between the two couples. You may now take your seat. Before we go to your solemnities of marriage, there are reminders, I would say, to you, the parties, the husband and the bride and the groom. There are responsibilities in marriage because marriage is a serious relationship that is of permanent union. Why uli ay ni? Dito mo ingon nga after 2 months or 2 years, iuli lang nako ang akong bana or iuli nako akong asawa. That is not the concept of marriage. So, there are responsibilities that I would like to remind you, not just to you, but of course, to the sponsors and also to the parents. So, to the parents who are here, si Resfel Pelimon, na siya. Wala. Si Ruth, Husband. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. You are acknowledged. And also to Phyllis part, si Sir Wilfredo, no? Ano to? The rest to ba nga? O si Ma'am Antonia, no? Congratulations. Kamong gyud ang mga ginikanan nga ni amo inyong gipahiluna. Gigabayan ang inyong mga anak sa katapusang gutlo sa ilang pagkaulitaw dalaga. Dalagon ka na nga buhat nga angay i-emulate, no? Daghan akong gikasal. Na moingon ang uban nga, wala naman ni among papag mama kay way pamlete, color coding, daghan ang rason. But you are here standing by in your dear children as they are instituting themselves to the Holy Sacrament of Marriage. Congratulations. Also to our sponsors. We have here si Sir Dr. Lawrence Gayaw, sir. Imo mo pirma, no? And also Ma'am Edith Gayaw. We have retired Police Colonel Emmanuel Macabetsa and Ma'am Rosmila Macabetsa. And sa likod, Mr. L.D. Cañete, sir, and the Engineer Sylvia here. There are 3 responsibilities for the witness. Number 1 is to ascertain that there is no proxy in marriage. To ascertain that the people that are standing here, sila gid ni, dili piki. Because our law does not allow proxy marriage. Another responsibility for the witness or ninong is to stand by the truth that there are no legal impediments in marriage. Unsa man yung legal impediment in marriage? Igsuon, dili na makasal, igagaw, igtagsa, di na makasal because our law prohibits that. So, di mo kani sila igsuon, mga witness. Di mo kani igagaw. No? Di mo kani, wa mo kay number 1 nga pamilya niya, wa pa mahuman, nagsugod number 2. By gamos marriage, that is not allowed. So these are the first two, and the third responsibility of the witness is to give later your pieces of advice or reminders kung ilang kinahanglanon. You are standing as a second parents in lieu of the real parents, biological parents. So kung dili sa tanang panahon na sila, posible di niyo, unong raman mo kabuok, dali ram mong isave sa phone book, yung ngalan. Nagkasal bitaw ko one time, 80 kabuok, maninoy, maninay. Akong opisina, naabot sa karsada. Umutan ako, nganong daghan makainay maninoy, maninay. Sila nga. Why nito back primero, pero kadugayan na iniingon dito sa likod. Ituyo na, sir, kay para mabawi ang regalo. There is new economy of marriage now, di ay? So, kamo tinit onay dun wa ni regaluhay kay gamay raman, pero hinumduman din mo sa inyong mga sinunod sa kasal. So, do not withhold. If ever they will text you and say, Ninong, Ninang, please give us, what can you say? Or, because by moral ascendancy, you are ahead of them in marriage. There is no school in marriage actually. Nahadidiin na ko Google o kami nyoon, wag ko kitag doon na university nga nag-offer of Bachelor of Science in Marriage. It's only true by experience. That's why the couple are privileged to choose you because amo na siya. You have the moral right to remind them later on this important aspect of marriage. So kung matek sila ninyo ay nirisi, minyo kita mo, di daghanat ang nagka-problema. Do not say that. That is not for marriage. That is. So ang inyo to encourage them. Okay? So, the duty to ascertain that there is no substitution or there is no fake marriage. Second is the duty to ascertain that there are no legal impediments. The third is the duty to give your pieces of advice when later needed by the couple. Palagpagan na itong mga ginikanan o mga sponsors. Thank you for your presence. Now, ato natasa kang Roser Freud. Ano sa'yo nickname mo, Freud? Ato kakang Freud o kang sa'yo nickname mo? Tagas mo din yung ngalan. Mura mong kandidato mo o politiko, di mo kadaog kay taas ka isulat. So let's go to you, Freud and Anne. There are 69 responsibilities in marriage. Di lang nag-isulti ng 69, kaya maabdan tag alas 9 kung liigri. No, only 3 also. Kaya kung naaning tulo, the rest, the 62 others will follow. First is the duty to live together as husband and wife. Inyo nang katungod ang pagpuyo, isip, magtiayon. The purpose of the law is para mapalambo ang magtiayon. Nobody, even the highest official of the land, cannot prevent you of doing that. That is your solemn right granted by law. So ang atong susidad, kung magpuyo nga walay kasal, magmugot, di ba? Pero magkasal niya, di po magpuyo, magmugot lagi hapon. Nga naman, the policy of the law is magpuyo din mo because that is part of the definition of marriage. Kedua, the duty to support each other. Ang lora ba nag-ingon, the duty to jointly support each other. So, ba't ko sabutan meaning, tabangan ang responsibilidad sa kaminyoon. Kay daghang mga kaminyoon nga buak, kay usaray sa ligan, bukat kaya ang responsibility sa kaminyoon. Utanan nyo na inyong mga ninong later. What pasabot is sa unang
ang atong tradisyon is si Mr. ang mangitag panginabuhian. Si Mr. ay sundalo, si Mr. ay maestro, si Mr. ay tapitero o habalabal driver. Aron mabuhi ang pamilya. Si Mrs. nabilin sa panimalay, ng labaw, ng hinlo, at katulad mga anak. That was our tradition. But the word says in the law, jointly, meaning hinugpong. So, posible nga, balihon, posible nga si Mrs. mao'y OFW, mao'y nurse, mao'y social worker, si Mr. nabilin sa panimalay, nagdigamo, nagakatar sa mga anak ng hinlo. Okay ra na. That is the meaning of the word joint. Pagkabasa bitaw sa akong Mrs. aning balauray, siya, mao di ay ni. Pa, sa ato pa, kung wala tayo helper, ikaw di maglabaha. Labasa to, kaya pa may gingon. Kung mangmerkado ta, mag-grocery ta, why mo sa basket? Or why mo drive? Ikaw nila sa basket. Sa tinunanay lang, nagmahay kung akong ipabasa sa Mrs. and Balora. Ngayon, hayahin lang ko sa una. Pag-abot sa balay, likod-lingkod, kapi-kapi, basag newspaper, okay na, pahits ng adlaw. But it should not be. Joy, helping each other in the family. The third, bugat ng third. The duty to love, be faithful, and respect each other. Nganong respect man? Because ang kami niyo ng ingon, you have to live in a conjugal life. Dagko na mo nag-abot, di pa gano parente. Dila din mo batasan. So you have to respect each other. Nganong honor man and be faithful? Because ang atong balaod, unlike US or Western culture nga dunay pwede lang mag-divorce. Dire, thankfully, there is no divorce law. So, tinod-anay, di tamingon nga, sir, pwede ba magpakasal mi? Sa lakatuig ha, niya mag-away mi, mga tumis barangay, magpirmahan mi dito nga, wala may gilabot sa usa. That is not allowed under the law. So, the duty to love, this is a duty, no longer a privilege. So may ko sa buta na. Kita mga taga-iligan man ta. Kita tamang tabayo sa tambakan. Gaguyod o parada, gitabunan ng mata, pero ang tabon niya na kilid. Wala diri sa atubangan. What's the purpose of that? Ang purpose is, correct, Freud. Ang pagtanaw sa kabayo is straight. In the same manner, sa marriage pod, is straight. Ikaw, mister, si Mrs. nagitanaw, bisag daghan pa na magpanguhit-kuhit diha. One single wrong mistake. Kanang bitang one night standing, one night love. Daghan na ang maapitihan. Up to your third, fourth generation, mag-suffer sa sayot nga one false move. Same man na si Mrs. Ford. Mr. Yung tanawa, isag. Kunya kay mo man na ingon diha. The duty to love. So meaning here, love here is a decision and not an emotion. Ako kayo na silang diferensya. Kaya may kang emosyon, nakaroon ang puntaga, may kayo ang sandig-sandig ni Mrs. Abagan, Mr. Mr. po, may agbay-agbay, I love you, pagkagabi, gaaway. Di, sumbang ni Mr. ang portahan, naguba. Di, lapang-labay ni Mrs. ang mga plato, mga kutsara. Pagkasunod ukma, main na pong pamatik, I love you na po. Di, ayaw na po ni Mr. ang niyang giguba. Di, pamunit na po ni Mrs. ang iyang ilabay. Changeable. So that's emotion, depending on the adrenaline or the hormones that you have. Mood. But here, this is a decision. In other words, ikaw, Mr., decision na yun sa imong kinabuhi, si Mrs. lagi sigugmaon. Not just 1 year, not just 2 years, 3 years, or 10 years, or 50 years, but as long as your life allows you to do so. So, right, tapos New York, kita ko dito. Divorce for only $25. Fault or no fault? Sa ila dito, kung di nakaganahan sa lipstick sa imong misis, pwede na mo mag-divorce. Or si misis, di ganahan sa color sa imong silina, pwede na mo mag-divorce. Fault or no fault, good. But it's not here in the Philippines. Marriage is defined as special contract of permanent union between male and female for the purpose of conjugal life. Permanent union. So, akong balikon, para di gid malimot. Sa ganito, number 1, the duty to live together as husband and wife. Second, the duty to support the family jointly. And the third is the duty to love, honor, and respect each other. Kanira bang ingon aning duty to love? Mailan na first 2 or 3 years kung mag-base ganitag romance or feelings, mayroon na og first 5 years. Pagka 6 years ana ang tawag sa asawa, dili na asawa, sawa na. Pagka 7 years or 10 years, ang asawa di na sawa, awa na lang. Ganun, ipon po mo niya, luoy yung good ko sir, pero si mister natulog sa balkon, si misis tulog sa kwarto, nagbulag na. No? Pagka 20 years, no? Lahi na tawag, na lang. Di ba mo nang maasawa si Konso, ang sino na makabantay, anong nagkasakit ka? Ito ba, minsan lang, o di ba mali mo man ang bana si Konso, ano mo ka? Lingihan na nga kalisod karon. Ang to ba? Denial stage. Hantod sa last. Muna na, so gikan sa asawa, kung wala ang decision to love, gikan sa asawa, nahimong sawa, nahimong nahimong and the relationship drifted away like a kite that its string is already cut off. It drifts. Wala na yan. Goodbye. Yan lang, goodbye Philippines. So that's it. There are symbols in marriage which are commonly, one of that is the ring. The ring is a round object. Lingit niya butang. It is a round, no beginning or no end. That's the purpose of that. This represents your relationship. Nga walay sinagdanan, nga walay katapusan until your life allows you to do so. So, my question is, ikaw, Froy, are you willing to accept and in the midst of these witnesses, to honor her, to love her, and to take her as your lawfully wedded wife, for better or for worse?
I do.
Thank you. Dahil ng I do nga minaranaw ha. Ayaw na nga ito nga minaranaw. In like manner, Anne, in the midst of these witnesses and your parents, do you accept Roy as your lawfully wedded husband, to honor her, to love her, to honor him and to love him, and to give yourself as his wife?
Yes, I do.
So in this ring, get this ring, Roy intended for Anne, and insert that to her ring finger and follow after me. Anne, accept this ring
Accept this ring
as the symbol
as a
of
symbol
my true love,
of my true love,
honor,
honor,
and fidelity to you
and fidelity to you
as your husband.
as your husband.
Kaya pumasok? Okay. In like manner, Anne, get that ring intended for Froy and follow after me. Froy,
Roy,
accept this ring
accept this ring
as a symbol
as a symbol
of my true love,
of our true love,
honor,
honor,
and faithfulness to you,
faithfulness
to you
to you
as your wife.
as your wife.
Ilang mo man ang sukot siguro. Sabon ray tambal na. Masalur na niya, Froy. Okay. I also mentioned to you that the success in marriage is the presence of God in your relationship. So I have here a gift for you, copy of the Bible. Get this as my special gift to you. Read this. Kaya ang kinabuhi, di madalag rumble. We need always special guidance from God.
in your relationship with each other. So this is my free gift to you. Advance Merry Christmas. You can now face to your ninong and ninang. In my capacity as judge of Iligan City, by virtue of the law granted upon me by the Republic of the Philippines to solemnize marriage, from now on, I hereby declare that Froy and Ann ato ng pagkatawgon nga bana ug asawa. Palakpakan, pagkot. Ano asawa ko? O niya, ang bana asawa ang samimuon. Katagna din sila. Bridal case is in order daw. Sige, ipinin niyo og kapila. Kalima. Anang dugay dyan para makuha sa kamera. Ready?
Ready?
1,
1.
2.
Wala pa.
Wala pa ka. Dugay ha, kaya para makuha.
7.
Basta dugay yung itagan ka ni. Okay, thank you. Let's go now to the signing of the pwede background music ka mo. Kanang romantic. So here are the documents for you to sign.
We would like to request the parents of the bride to have the picture taken. Prepare po yung parents ng groom together with the grandmother. Diri po na side kay Froy po.
Okay, drilling. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay, we will request the ninangs. Mga ninang po. Inay, yes.
Makaon ba na? Ang flower, dili.
Hindi makaon.
May na lang. Sabi na ako, makaon, kaya yung madaon. Huwag yung initan.
Wow! Matamis kay tanong. Okay.
Kagumay sa tapuan.
The bigger the slice, the bigger daw ang inyong kuwan.
Ay,
Wow,
nagkuha
hindi mo.
Sada ko sa paano.
Freud, dapat maulog niya si Juan Freud.
Okay, tulog doon. Yung lawas. Ako na din. Gawin mo multo. Sabi po sa mga mga. Barilo. Ang ngit-ngit talaga. Gawin mo barilo.
Yes! Wow! Karunan si Freud na po. You know the drill. Isa kang patuhan yun.
Sada ko po eh. Manimalos na dyan ako eh. Kanaan na.
Wow! Parang ako to. Kana. Say Lamaayo mo kaon si Freud. Charing. Okay, once again, the couple, they came cutting. Okay. Once again, the lovely couple in their first dance. kamay dyan. Wow. Sing the newlyweds for good fortune.